Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect an external USB microphone to Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. Now here's something important to understand before we begin. Steam itself doesn't actually connect a microphone directly. Instead, it simply uses whatever microphone your Windows system is currently set to. This means we need to set up your USB mic in Windows first, and then Steam will automatically recognize and use it. So let's start with the Windows setup. First, right-click the speaker icon located in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This will bring up a small menu with several audio-related options. From this menu, click on Open Sound Settings. This action will take you directly to Windows Sound Settings, where you can manage all your audio devices. Once you're in the Sound Settings window, navigate to the Input section. You'll see this area is dedicated to managing your microphone and recording devices. Below the Input section, there's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on it to view all available microphones connected to your computer. From the list that appears, select your USB microphone. This tells Windows that you want to use this specific device for audio input. After selecting your USB microphone, take a moment to speak into it and watch the input bar. If everything is working correctly, you should see the bar move in response to your voice. This visual feedback confirms that your microphone is properly connected and actively receiving audio. Now that Windows recognizes your microphone, it's time to configure Steam. Open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look at the upper left corner of the Steam window. Click on Steam to open the main menu, then select Settings from the drop-down list. In the Settings window, you'll see a left sidebar with various options. Click on Voice to access all the voice chat related settings. This is where Steam allows you to choose which microphone and speakers you want to use for in-game communication. Look for the Input Device option. Right beside it, you'll find a drop-down menu. Click on it to see all the available microphones that Steam has detected from your system. Select your USB microphone from this list, and Steam will now use it for all voice chat features. Optionally, if you want to verify that everything is working correctly before jumping into a game, you can click Start Microphone Test. This feature lets you speak into your microphone and hear yourself through your headphones or speakers, giving you confidence that your setup is functioning properly. And that's it. Your external USB microphone is now fully connected and configured to work with Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.